Say what's up to the vlog, Mello. Say what's up. What's good, everybody? It is Birdo out here with another vlog.
What's up, player?
Let's get it. So, we are out here with another bird vlog.
Hercules, Hercules, Hercules.
Yes, I may have a mask on, but it's not because of the quarantine thing, and I'm not afraid of my own apartment. It's the fact that we're cleaning the bird room today. And, you know, how cockatiels got that dandruff and, their bird poop and the food and all that other stuff. Particles start flying in the air. And it does get a little annoying for me. So, to avoid, all the sneezing and all that other good stuff, or bad stuff, I'm just gonna wear a mask. So, got my gloves on, just in case I gotta pick up anything I don't want to touch with my hands. And so I'm gonna be out here recording on my cell phone, and I'm gonna be sweeping, mopping, clearing out the bird cage, disinfecting the bird cage, and all that other good stuff. So, let's get it.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Looks like Mello wants to be on the vlog again. As you guys see all these feathers and stuff flying in the air, I don't want to breathe all that in, So let's keep this on. As you guys see, my little Monty still can't fly. Still growing it in his wings. All right, Monty. Let's get back to the cleaning. Oh, and before we get back to the cleaning, Mello over here. So far, the eggs from the last video, none of them have hatched, and I deemed them unhatchable. They're not good. So she has laid another 4 eggs, which they're laying right over here. Let's just hope. I got a little heat emitter under the cage. It's not too hot. I'm trying to keep it at the right temperature, and then keeping Mello, to pay attention to the eggs. But just in case she doesn't, that's why I got the heat emitter down there. So yeah, back to the cleaning. So I usually like to clean the bird room once a week, but I messed up. It's been a little while. So it may be a little bit more dirty than normal. But it's all right. I'm taking care of them right now, all right? They Gucci. All right, Mello? All right, Monty?
Damn right.
Let's get it. By the way, Mello, tell them. You guys gotta go and like, subscribe. You guys can't be watching my videos and not subscribing. So go right down there, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the bell if you want to be seeing more Mello and Monty. Tell him, Monty, you want people to be liking and subscribing, right? Right? Yeah, that was a small one. But, right, Mello, tell them. They gotta like and subscribe.
I mean, come on, man.
All right, so I just finished sweeping. Now we're getting straight to mopping. Don't use too many chemicals, people. Cockatiels, all birds in general, have very sensitive respiratory systems. So use a lot of water, little bit of bleach. I forget the fraction, I don't know. Just use a little bit. And then just use a little bit of some other stuff. I use Fabuloso, very, very small amount. Yeah, I'm not trying to kill my birds, I'm trying to keep them alive. So try not to kill them. All right then. I know I started mopping, but I actually got to clean out the cage before I start mopping. I don't even know why I even started mopping right now. So let me go clean this cage out. All right, all done. Just finished cleaning the bird cage, finished cleaning the floor, mopping it up. You already know, put in the work. But yeah, these two had a lot to say today. Right, Monty? Where you at? There you are. You had a lot to say today, huh? And then we got Mello over there. Hey, Mello. I can't stand wearing these masks. But, yeah, do what you gotta do sometimes, right?
It is what it is.
Yeah, Mello, I hear you. I mean, Monty, my bad. Monty, I don't know. He's on some other stuff right now. Yeah, I hear you. Then we got Mello and the eggs. Eggs right here. They destroyed their little hut, so I gotta go get them another hut. But for now, we got them little box. 4 eggs. Let's see what's up. I don't know if 2 of them are making it. She actually laid one the other day, so I'm not too sure about these. So we'll see. I got them under some heat, so let's just see what's up. As you guys see, the cage all clean. Let's take this out of here. Yeah, cage clean. Put newspaper down. New food, new water. Actually, I gotta fill up the water again because I moved the cage and it's spilled. But yeah, everything new. Gonna wash these, put them back in, and yeah, call it a day. Gotta take out the trash and change the water. All right, Mello. 2 M's. It's pretty hard sometimes. Right? Say what's up to the vlog, Mello. Say what's up. Say something. Yeah, okay. Well, there you guys go. Come here, Mello. Come on. Come on, Mello. Come on. There you go. So, Mello doesn't want to be with me right now. There you guys go. Quick little vlog. Me cleaning the cage. I should put this up real soon. Nothing different. Mello over here. She's doing good. So far, so good. Monty over there still getting used to everyone. Still, you know, hand taming him every day. Not easy. But yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Deuces. Hey.